my family member that works at the VA been working there for over 20 years. What is her last name?
I think it's Watson.
Watson. Hold on.
Please put up the big man for the screen now. I don't like this. Put up the big man, the sunshine.
And they're looking for a woman that's overdosing patients at the VA hospital, and her last name is Watson.
No, hey. So again,
Miss Watson, you know her?
Hey!
Get up, big guy.
Big man for the screen. It's a sunshine.
They don't say they don't fuck with sugar. I don't call sugar. Can't call everywhere.
I'm not going peace. Come say Belinda by you can the cookie have a blood clot go down. Miss Psalms 109 never fear me.
She said, oh God, this serious.
Put up the big man on the screen, make the lady see no something.
Cheese that I put remember some have the
There's a lot of locations, but you have more than one Watson. And then you have, she said that there's Staten Island location, you have Bronx location.
Belinda Paul Watson. That's
Belinda Paul Watson is her name, and she overdoses the overdoses patients with medication, and she goes to the VA hospital.
Sugar. Sugar. Make sure you get it again. She admitted on her live that she would overdose her patients. So again, we don't know. Again, this is alleged. Again, so I want to make sure.
Wait, what's the name again? Belinda Paul Watson.
I'm gonna like the sunshine.
See, she come on there. Yes, Miss Bella, where you the class? Me see she the right here. She come on.
Man, don't unmute till it done, sugar. A sugar deal with the whole like case them boy. I think in 1972 in the 70s hard. I think about
hey, make I go follow sugar, come me I go help sugar bring you down blood clot big back.
Me have follow to sugar. Me when me do you.
Yeah, just so Belinda Watson. That's crazy. But Watson is a popular last name. That's the thing, and they would need a description and look in the her location.
I'm gonna send her the big man in your.
But I can get like there's a number.
Once you know our full name, money you can go.
You can just call. You guys can call the OIG. That's what she just told me. Call OIG, Office of Inspector General. That's all y'all need to call. Yeah, just call the OIG. You call the OIG because there was an investigation that just closed where a nurse beat up a patient and crabbed him up. Like he wanted to use the bathroom. He didn't want to go he didn't want to. He was like, no, I want to go. I don't want to. I want to come out to bed and go use the toilet. And sometimes the lady, like she was drunk, and she crabbed him up with her nails. Yeah, they have nurses that be going to. They're the most highly functional, dysfunctional people, but they're highly functional addicts. Like when I say that, they can be alcoholics and they're very functional. But an investigation just closed, and OIG got involved because she crabbed up the man and then she lied about it on her shift. And the next.
So you do a license, gone. She not a license with them.
Well, no, they didn't know.